Hi guys, today we're gonna go and unbox the Z Fold 4, not the Z Flip 4 that we unboxed yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hey guys, so the Z Fold 4 is going to be my first experience with the Fold series. So I'm going to be unboxing this from point of view of a person who have never used this device. I'm in South Korea, for those of you who don't know. I ordered this, I reserved it in Korea. You can reserve the Fold 4 or the Flip 4. Samsung actually personally delivers it straight to your house. It's really cool. So inside the box, you'll find a box, another box. We'll set this aside. Wow, the Z Fold 4, Z Fold 4 is here. Ooh. Yeah, baby. My first thoughts, it looks like a phone that has two phones that folds. That's what it is, right? Let's try folding it. Wow. Wow. Not bad. So it's got 3 cameras, LED, SIM card tray, volume buttons, power button, camera up here, front camera, is it? I think just one camera. And you got speakers up here, microphone, maybe microphone, 3 microphones, wow. Also speaker here, microphone and USB. This is a beige color I ordered. You got that nice metallic finish. Let me go ahead and take this out. Wowzmex. Wow. Let me quickly compare the size with my Flip 4. Actually, folded, the screen is actually smaller. With this unfolded, in terms of folding up, you're gonna be like that. So maybe almost twice the size of the screen once it's unfolded. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. The reason why I waited to get the Fold 4 is because Fold 1 and 2 obviously had problems, beta versions, even Fold 3 maybe okay, but I'd never really needed a Fold 4. Recently, I'm actually signing a lot of documents preparing for a indoor golf facility. So I'm doing all this on my Flip 4. And with the Fold 4, I'm going to be able to actually see those documents on the go without having to carry my laptop everywhere. Let's go ahead and skip through all the setup. Whoa! I actually really like the keyboard. 네, 실제로 이 키보드 괜찮은 것 같고요. Let it reset and we'll continue this process. So you actually got a full screen out here. Wow! I didn't know about this. I just wanted to experience what it would be like to try this as a person who's never used a Fold. I'm actually kind of really liking this. Big screen is just really worth it. Let's try the fingerprint. Wow, the fingerprint sensor is on the right, just like the Z Flip 4. So I really like that option. All right, I'm finally done. Whew. So another thing I just realized, the reason why I like the Flip 4 is that I never break the screen because I carry it with it folded. Same thing with this one, I'll probably never have to worry about breaking the inner screen. Oh wow, so there is a screen on the outside that you can use. Like I said, I'm just a first time user of the Fold series. But you definitely need a case that's gonna protect the front of the phone. I'm afraid this is gonna be very easy to break. I really like the feel in the hands with one hand. It's very secure and it's a little narrow. Now if you need to use a large screen, you simply open up. Boom shakalaka, baby. Oh! I don't like this. Let's go ahead and check out YouTube and see how it is to watch. Here's a video I made in one of my Korean channels. The sound is the largest.
하고 통이 돼요.
So pretty good viewing angles. If you
에이티놀 가서 카트
let me
타는
go like
것보다
that.
운동이 되는 것 같고 그렇게 길지 않으니까 걷기도 쉽고. Hey guys, so we're at Sushi Row where you can order from the touch screen, do it in English. I just ordered that. There's a bunch of different sushis you can order.
So really like the screen that it fills up. There are black bars, obviously, but I really like that it fills up most of it. The viewing is so good. This is gonna be great after I make YouTube videos and then I want to check out my video. I'm really able to check it out. 그럼 카메라를 한번 보겠습니다. 카메라 열었을 때 이렇게 와우 이렇게 크게 나오네요. 사진이 3배? 3배? 오 괜찮은데요? 3배에서 10배 해봅시다. 10배 하면 좀 흐려지고 30대 하면 많이 흐려지고 이제 밝은 데서 하면은 괜찮은데 어두운 데서 또 2x까지는 괜찮은 것 같아요. 그리고 비디오를 한번 봅시다. 영상은 제가 제일 중요한데 영상은 you can do up to 8K 24 frames per second. 자, 그럼 이게 이렇게 녹음할 때 괜찮은 것 같아. 근데 굉장히 자세하게 볼 수 있어서 좋은 거고 화면이 커서 I'm gonna be making a ton of videos with this. I'm actually really impressed with this, and I'm actually wondering why I didn't get this earlier, especially if you need to like read documents on the go. This is gonna totally help instead of like I got these legal documents I'm checking out on my Flip 4 or on a smaller size smartphone, and this is gonna definitely help out. Wow. So one thing I'm wondering is, can you record with it with the cover screen like that? Oh yeah. So the only problem I find with this is the front camera video. There's no 4K. What the heck? So they put everything except for a 4K front camera, which even the Z Flip 4 has. Oh wait, maybe you use a camera on the front here. Oh, maybe this one supports. Oh, there you go. So if you use the camera on, there's an extra camera on the outside of the screen. You have to use this camera to get full 4K. There you go. Nice. I'm gonna definitely play with this a little bit more and give you guys a full review. But for right now, I really love it, especially the fingerprint sensor, especially the large screen. Also the fact that you can use it closed fully. You don't really have to open it all the time. That's nice. If you absolutely don't need this large screen, like for example, I need to read documents and whatnot, then you might want to go with like something like a Z. Definitely liking this bad boy. Let's actually go ahead and do a last test. The only thing I worry about how it's gonna feel in the pockets. Oh my god, it's so long. It's just. It's definitely gonna put a burden on your pockets. But I mean, you still get that gigantic screen, so it might be worth it. Hey guys, I'll have a full review eventually after use it for maybe a few weeks. But for right now, really like it. It is kind of heavy, but definitely like the really large screen. Have a great day, and as always, stay.